Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Methane and water react to form products, but which one dissolves better in ethanol? We will solve this chemistry puzzle using Lewis diagrams right now. First, identify that water is the more soluble product because it is a polar molecule. Ethanol contains a hydroxyl group, which allows it to interact strongly with other polar substances. Next, look at the hydrogen bonding potential between these molecules. Water can form strong hydrogen bonds with the oxygen and hydrogen atoms found in the ethanol structure to increase solubility. Finally, methane is nonpolar and cannot form these bonds. This makes water the clear winner, so that means option D is our correct choice today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush decisions. Trust given data and check steps to find option D.